Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the concept of RAM, processors and storage in mobile phones. Starting with the definitions, a RAM, meaning random access memory, is a super fast type of storage where apps, music, photos and videos get stored temporarily. If a phone is set to multitask well, it's because it has heaps of RAM and is able to make good use of it. On the other hand, a processor is a component that controls everything going on in a smartphone and ensures it functions properly. Lastly, internal phone storage is the amount of space you have on your phone's drive available to store your data. We move on to the functions. Like I said in the definition, what RAM basically does in a smartphone is to help the smartphone work and fail fast. If the phone is set to multitask well, it is because it has heaps of RAM and is able to make good use of it. To switch between multiple apps and keep the other apps running in the background, you need to have a reasonable amount of RAM. The following situations are caused by low RAM in mobile phones. App crashes. Due to the low RAM in a mobile phone, the system will be unable to allocate the required memory necessary for their operation. Reloaded web pages. You might have been in a situation when you quickly want to switch tabs, but you go back to the previous tab only to realize that it is reloading. This is caused by low RAM size. System freezes. The mobile phone freezes when it has low RAM size to run the system, which usually require a restart to restore normal operation of the mobile phone. All of the above are some of the situations caused by low RAM size. Others include overheating, inability to install or update an app, gaming issues, limited functionality and limited multitasking. Now, let's talk about processor. The processor, as its name suggests, is to process, manipulate, and handle data. It manages tasks such as image rendering, video playback, and audio processing, which contributes to the overall user experience. It also helps in facilitating network communication, handling tasks related to cellular connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other wireless technologies. The following situations are caused by bad or old processors. Slow performance. Old or bad processors often struggle to handle new software and applications, resulting in sluggish performance. Inefficient multitasking. Just as low RAM can lead to inefficient multitasking, a bad processor will not be able to process data and will not be able to execute tasks. Some other situations include battery drains, crashes and freezes, difficulty running latest software. Lastly, let us move on to storage. Just as the name implies, the purpose of storage is to store data just like music, videos, audios, etc. Just like the previous two, low storage can also cause some problems. This includes difficulty downloading files, inability to install new apps, inability to sync data, and inability to save files for online use, and also inability to install software updates and so on. Rounding everything up, using a car analogy, the RAM is like the dashboard controls, providing quick access to necessary functions. The processor is like the car's engine, determining the overall speed and performance. The storage is like the car's trunk or storage compartment, being a place where you can store items. From all the above, we realize that the processor, storage, and RAM work hand in hand to keep the mobile device running effectively. From here, I move on to the best RAM, storage, and processors that are out there. RAM and storage are easily identified by the number of gigs they have. The more the number of gigs, the more the functionality. But processors are the real deals here. Most of us might have heard about Snapdragon and MediaTek processors. Both are the most popular processor brand that you can find out there. Apart from that, we have the Apple processors used in iPhone, the Samsung Exynos processors used in the mid-range Samsung phones like the A54, and the Google Tensor processor used in the Pixel phones. You can search for ranking of mobile processors on Google to see the relationship between the processors. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any additions or subscriptions, you can put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.